So, Monique, we have been talking about a workshop that you did recently offering stress management to an audience of women and young people, some babies even, who are refugees and who have a ton of overwhelm. And you are there to show them how to use energy psychology, emotional freedom techniques in particular. Would you share one of the interventions that you decided to use?
Sure. Can I share too?
Yes, please.
Okay. Well, one of them was I of course did the whole psycho ed around sort of what energy and how it works. And for that, I did my famous energy stick.
Yes.
I had a few women beside me, and we held the stick and we showed the circuit. So that was a really good representation of that.
Beautiful.
The other
Just
thing
show us
before we,
how it works. Like just hold it up, holding
okay,
one hand and
yep. So if I'm holding it like this, nothing. But if I'm going holding it with two, I'm activating the circuit. So you can do this with a whole group of people, and everybody's holding hands. And then one person is holding one end, and another person's holding the other end. And the circuit, it'll start to buzz around. And then when one person lets their hand go, they interrupt the circuit, and then it stops.
it's such a
So
beautiful metaphor, isn't it? Number
it,
one, that we are energy, right? At our
yeah.
core, we are energy. We can make that energy stick go just by ourselves. But in a bigger picture than that, we are connected. We are energy fields that are connected, and we are impacting on the quality of the whole. So one people in the circle lets go, drops the relationship. The whole circle is affected. A beautiful metaphor for life, eh?
It's totally a beautiful metaphor. And then the other thing was just we did a balloon toss to start off, just to get the energy, getting people up, having them. You can't go wrong with balloon toss. Everybody loves it, right? And then if you drop it, you have to say your name and what country you're from. So it's a good
Oh,
way to kind of, get to know people in the room. So just some extra
oh,
little tips.
that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Thank you. That's so much fun.